So guys, today we're gonna review this battery that I got. It's a replacement battery for your Dyson V6 series, some of them. This is an inexpensive battery, rechargeable for your Dyson vacuums. Okay, so this I got from Amazon. It's a simple battery, looks sturdy. Casing is a hard casing. This is the charging light indicator here. Press on this, that shows you if it needs to charge or whatever. Rechargeable battery pack for Dyson dcv6 series is a 21.6 volt 4800 milliamp hour battery and 103.68 watt hour. And make sure you read the instruction, the warnings, all of that, how to dispose and store your battery. Okay, so I think this is by a company called Otter, and this is a high quality Sony cell and integrated protection battery. Is compatible with the Dyson V6 series, the 595, the 59, the 61, 72, 650, 770, 880, 58, 62, and 74, the DC ones. Okay, so when it's bright blue, that means it's it needs to charge. When it's fully charged, the blue will be off. When it's red, if it lights up red, it's defective. And they said this, it holds a charge, it lasts for a long time. It has the rechargeable battery, like I said, the lithium ion battery. Okay, so you want to when you finish using your Dyson product and the vacuum, you want to unplug this to store it in a cool, dry place away from heat and metal and all of that flammable stuff. Make sure you remove it when you finish charging, and when it's charging, don't turn it on or check the charge on it and use it, because you can damage the battery like that. Follow the safety and protocol and warranty instruction so the battery life can last longer. So that's it. So if you're looking for a replacement battery for all your Dyson V6 DC products, all of them, most of them, they can use this battery. The handheld vacuums that I listed, you can buy this replacement battery. It's on Amazon, and try it. I'll put a link in the description. Try it out. If you like this video, share it, give it a thumbs up, a like, leave a comment, question, suggestion, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching.